You're set to see your Snapchat password. Now, if you have Snapchat opened on your iPhone or Android, unfortunately, you cannot see the password in the app itself. So hop out here and we'll check two different places. The first one is the Passwords app. So you can open up the Passwords app or just search for it and open it up on your iPhone or Android. And from here, we will just search for Snapchat and tap on it to open up that specific username and password. Now, from here, you can maybe check another place. If it doesn't show up, you can check Google Chrome. From Google Chrome, you're going to go to google.com and then tap on your profile at the very top right. And now from here, tap on Manage Your Account towards the very top. And you'll be able to see it takes you to myaccount.google.com. So if you don't find this, you can just go to myaccount.google.com and hit go. And then swipe over and tap on Security. Now from here, all you need to do is scroll down because towards the bottom, you'll be able to see Password Manager. You can tap on Manage Passwords and you might be able to see that Snapchat password here. If you don't see it here, you can always tap on those three dots at the very bottom, right? And then at the very top, you're going to look for the little key icon. Just tap on that key icon. It will show all of the passwords stored on your Google account. And now you can always search for Snapchat, open it up, and see your exact password.